जो भी हमें इस वक्त देख रहे हैं वो आपकी साइज पे ना जाए. आई लुक लाइक द बॉडी बिल्डर बट एक्चुअली यू आर वन. Tell me about this journey of how did you get into it, and I'm so curious to know, because when I see those videos of yours, I'm like, oh my God.
So Marisha, you won't believe, this would be very surprising to know, but I always had this fear of injuries. Okay, कि मुझे कहीं लग जाएगी, मैं गिर जाऊंगी, and that's why I always stayed away from sports. मैं स्कूल में कभी भी किसी भी स्पोर्ट में नहीं थी.
Sorry, but I have to give you a high five because I was the same.
Same?
मैं भागती ही नहीं थी इस डर में कि मैं गिर जाऊँ.
Right. The only thing I participated, I think, was lemon and spoon. That was the only thing. But yeah, I mean, वो पता नहीं क्यों, I always had that fear कि ना मैं गिर जाऊंगी, pain, injuries, इससे हमेशा मुझे दूर रहना था.
हाँ.
But then, after getting into the medical field, watching those dead bodies and doing those postmortems and doing those deliveries, always surrounded by bones and blood and flesh and all of that, I think somewhere that fear kind of, कम हो गया.
हाँ.
And then automatically धीरे I was like, नहीं, अगर मैं डॉक्टर हूँ, I should look fit. Only then I can tell people or prescribe people कि आपको ये खाना है, ये नहीं खाना है, आपको exercise करना है. If I'm not following something, I cannot be expecting my clients or my patients to do that.
True.
Right? So just to lead by an example, slowly and gradually I took a turn and I entered into this fitness industry.
Oh. And how did you take that on towards then going Baqaida on stage and winning all those accolades and championships? Take
That is a big story. But yeah, cutting it short, basically ICN, the competition that I had participated in, it says I compete natural. So no steroids.
Really?
No other, unnatural ways of building your muscle.
Yes.
So it's completely natural. And for female categories, we have a lot. Like we have bikini athletes, we have sports models, we have runway models. So we have different categories in that. So I basically participated in the bikini, in the sports and the runway model. So I did not go into the typical, physique category where you need bigger muscles. Here you need to have a leaner waist. You need to look delicate. You need to be presentable on the stage. So ICN was always, running in the back of my mind, but I was a little hesitant with the fact that I would be, required to wear a bikini.
Yeah.
And more than that, I was scared that I would have to wear a 5-inch heel because I am not at all a heel person. And I love, flaunting my shoes. Very comfortable with my shoes. So, वो pressure मेरे दिमाग में था कि, how would I manage that? And then I just happened to discuss this at home. Initially, obviously, when you tell your parents or when you tell your siblings that you're going to be wearing a 2-piece on stage, they'll be like, no,
yes,
no way. But then, as they kept seeing my, determination and the hard work that I had put in, they somehow got convinced and they're like, no, you can do this. You go ahead and do this. Whatever support you need from us, we are going to be here for you. So my friends, my family, both of them were, supportive throughout my journey of ICN.
And कितने time की training लेनी पड़ती है to be able to contest?
So it actually depends कि आपका starting point कहाँ पे है. So everybody starts at a different phase, right?
Right.
Somebody may start at a higher body fat percentage. Somebody may be having a stronger training history. तो आपकी जितनी training history अच्छी है, जितना आपका body fat percentage कम है, आपको कम समय लगता है. But I feel genuinely if you want to back up a medal, at least on the stage, you need to have a good training history and at least 6 months of period to, prep yourself.
You mean to say that amazing hot body pictures that I see of yours, you achieved that in 6 months?
Yeah, I think I took 7.5 months to be precise.
Oh my God.
Because last moment tak I was like, karu, nahi karu. I was a little dicey about things. But then finally when I got the backup that I needed from my family, I was like, abhi to I'm going to be unstoppable. Abhi kuch nahi rok sakta mujhe.
और दिन में कितने घंटों की training रहती है?
Moreover, it would be like a hardcore strength training session of 2 to 2.5 hours. Then I would go in the evening for a separate cardio session for around an hour or so. And then there would be an hour of, posing coaches. So I would go for my posing sessions separately where you need to wear the heels, you need to wear the bikini and you need to pose, flex,
Yes.
And flexing with a smile on your face is the most difficult, because usually I make all monkey faces when I flex. But then on the stage, you can't be doing those monkey faces. So you need to flex as well as smile, make that eye contact with the judges, carry everything with a grace.
And there is a separate coach for posing also.
Yes, there are separate posing coaches.
And this is their full-time profession?
Yes.
And they're busy round the year?
Absolutely. Because we have several bodybuilding competitions around the year through different federations.
Okay.
So ICN is one of them. So we have separate posing coaches who are well equipped with all the knowledge, where they will kind of, judge you from top to bottom. They'll tell you which is your weaker area. How can you hide it? Right? So they help you create that illusion of either a massive body or a narrow waist, all of that.
And that also obviously leads to confidence building. Because heels may all the time in bikini you're getting trained.
Yeah. In fact, when it comes to stepping on a stage for an athletic or for a more over like an aesthetic physique, right? How you pose is as important, or rather I would say more important than your actual physique.
Oh.
Let's say a person who's having a top-notch physique but failed to do the proper posing.
Oh my God.
You may not stand up, in that huge crowd on the stage.
Oh God.
So how you pose, how you flex, what your eye contact is, how your body language is, all of that is equally important as your physique.